Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hi my divas, how are you guys doing? So today I am back again with another video, and this time it is the coolest hacks that I've ever tried. In the next few minutes, I will be showing you 12 makeup hacks which are my favorite and I think you should definitely try. Okay, so the first hack is using a red lipstick as a color corrector. So I'm using my setting mist to dampen the beauty blender for seamless blending. Lipstick can be used in so many ways as a cheek tint and on the eyes. You can use it as a blush on the eyes and as lipstick itself. Sometimes applying red lipstick can be real tough because it keeps getting out of the line, but one cool hack is to use the earbud to apply the lipstick. Now, I am not a wing eyeliner girl at all. I dread applying a wing eyeliner, but the tape makes it so easy. And I absolutely love this hack. This is a common hack and I bet it's everyone's favorite. Again, I'm going to use a lipstick, not as a lipstick, but this time as an eyeliner. Look how cool it looks. Next is this dried mascara. What I do is I dip it in warm water and use it on the lashes and eyebrows to set my eyebrows and to set any flyaways. Next, I'm going to use the brown lipstick as a contour. You can use any brown lipstick as a contour and it will work just as fine. Now I'm going to use my black eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows and to use it as a kohl. I'm going to create an illuminator on my own and I'm going to use a highlighter. Or you can also use a lightest shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to mix it with a priming moisturizer, and this gives such a natural glow to the face. I absolutely love it. There are bad hair days. Now on my oily hair, I just dust translucent powder on my scalp and it becomes brand new. Now since summer is here, my favorite hairstyle is a bun. But for my flyaways, what I do is I use a lip balm and oh my god, look at the difference. So guys, that was it and I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you'll try the hacks. Do comment down below which one was your favorite. And if you've got a new hack that you've been trying, then please do share it with us. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.